Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. I visited a friend and I made a very nice guacamole recipe. Her channel is called All Things African Nana, and her page will be somewhere here on the screen and also down on the description down below. Please support her, go check her channel and subscribe to her channel. So let's get to the video. So for the guacamole, we have the avocado, which is the main ingredient, the tomatoes, onion, bell pepper, we have lemons, and we have cilantro, ama unaweza ita coriander leaves, and then I'm going to do spices. I'm going to use the herbal seasoning mix. Yes. And yeah, I'm going to also add a bit of black pepper. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start. So we are going to cut the avocado. Sorry. Cilantro. I put it there.
Guacamole, watu avocado.
Yeah.
Na avocado zao mama zinaendanga.
So avocado, and I'm going to cut this into half to get the juice.
Si kwa ngala jangu umemwa hiki kitu inatoa juice.
So I'm going to put the juice.
I don't mean very specific ya lime. I'm more of a lime person.
Oh, unaipenda?
Kini alsas.
Unaikula kidogo, kuli mob. Yeah, so we're going to put the juice there.
Light.
Iko sawa?
Iko sawa.
So I'm going to mash it using a fork. So once we've mashed it, so I'm going so we are going to cut it into cubes.
Why cubes?
For this recipe we need cubes. I think that the shape goes well with the guacamole because you don't want large chunks, especially onions when you're eating your salad. You just want small chunks. So these cubes, we're going to put it inside there. We're also going to do cubes of tomatoes. So I'm going to remove the...
So are you removing the seeds?
To avoid our guacamole to be mushy and watery. Basically watery. So we are going to remove the seeds.
So unatumia to the outer coat, eh?
Yes, we're just going to use this. We are going to avoid the seeds. To avoid ikwe maji.
What? Umesikia?
So, because you're also going to cut it into cubes. So,
you put all that there.
Yeah. So we are going to cut the bell pepper. We're also going to cut it into cubes.
Unuita aje? Au si ile hapa
bell peppers. This one is bell peppers. I'm a cup.
It depends.
It depends with the salad, the kind of salad you want, and how you want your shapes. Unaweza fanya julienne, unaweza fanya big cubes, small cubes. It depends with how your salad looks like. Yeah. So for me, this one I would prefer cubes. Yeah.
So this guacamole is best in all dishes. Hata ugali unakula.
Unaweza kula nayo. Unaweza kula na rice, unaweza kula na ugali. Yeah. Ni poa sana and it's very healthy. And then I'm going to cut my coriander leaves.
No, not the stems,
This one is the leaves, not the stems. Yeah. So you're going to finely chop them. And then you will put inside. So we are going to put our seasoning. So we are going to use herbal seasoning. Yes, kidogo. And then I'm going to put my black pepper. For the black pepper, it's optional. If you don't like yours ikiwa a bit spicy, that's fine. Si lazima uweke. This part is optional, but since I like it, that's why mimi nimeweka.
That's your way.
Yeah, that's my way. So we are going to mix. And there is your guacamole.
Just like that.
Yeah.
So tunaenda ku tasty kwenye chakula.
So we are going to do the plating. Actually, you can add more avocado. Nime notice avocado yangu ni kidogo. Yeah, you can add more avocado. So let's do the plating. So guys, that's my go-to guacamole recipe. Let me know how you make yours in the comment section below. Please comment, subscribe, share, like, and let me see you in the next video.